Thanks to moderator. One of the most valuable things of computer in the modern world is the internet. Internet is developing day by day, and more people are using the internet more at the moment than before. The internet is more useful in our lives and includes much information. If we look and for any question, topic, ebook from in the internet, we will easily find it. Using the internet is also a learning resource because we will learn more resource when we seek information from the internet. Access to the internet is fundamental to achieving this vision for the future. It can improve the quality of education in many ways. It opens doorways to wealth of information, knowledge, educational resource, and increase the opportunities for learning and beyond the classroom.
Teachers use online material to prepare lessons and students to extend their range of learning. The internet supports interactive teaching methods that enable teachers to focus on individual student needs and support shared learning. In this COVID-19 era, the internet as the media that supports the learning process is undoubtedly inseparable. The use of the internet or the other facilities requiring the role of the internet is reinforced with the policy called social distance set by the government. The internet has been considered the media, which provides lots of advantages to the users. Some of the identified advantages are easy access to the learning material, the chance to learn more independently, study without being limited by the schedule.
Literature review. Role of media in language learning. The role of media to support the student learning process has been admitted by various scholars. Brinton, 2001, Tomlinson, 2016, and Al-Nefai, 2015. Scholars consider that media can not only facilitate the student learning process, but also improve the student motivation and attitudes. Harmer, 2007, Al-Nefai, 2015, El-Abar, 2016. Further, the use of media when it is used appropriately can reduce the teacher burden in conducting learning process. Harmer, 2007, Gebhardt, 2009. Lastly, the use of media can possibly help students accomplish the expected objective state in the student academic goal. Brinton, 2001, Tomlinson, 2016, Harmer, 2007.
Internet as a part of learning media. The concept suggesting internet as part of media comes from some scholars. Brinton 2001 for instead perspectives that basically anything manipulated by the teachers to facilitate learning process can be termed as learning media. Based on this concept, internet is not only as learning source or the platform that provides source to the student, but also the learning media or the media which are used by the teacher to facilitate learning process. Previously conduct studies on the use of internet in learning context. Kurniasi 2018 conducts the study on internet as learning resource. The case study was used. There were 20 participants required for the study. The findings indicate that there were both advantages and disadvantages. Some of the advantages of using internet as learning resource were the speed, the efficiency, and the effectiveness in accessing the information that the students required. Besides that, there were also many sources of information which could be accessed cheaply rather than buying printed books in the shops.
Advantages. Research results indicate that internet use increases language use and acquisition of second language. For example, it was found that interaction in language helped learners to gain input in language learning process. Specifically, it increased synchronous and asynchronous communication of ESL learners and helped them to use language in real communication situation. In other words, the internet motivates learners to use English in their daily lives and provides functional communicative experiences. Communication with native speakers allows learners to practice specific skills such as negotiating, persuading, clarifying meaning, requesting information, and engaging in true-life authentic discussion.
Additionally, the internet gives the opportunity to contrast knowledge together by expressing themselves in print and then assessing, evaluating, comparing, and reflecting on their own views and those of others. Worskers, 1997. In sum, it is useful medium for communication with native speakers in real situation, improving writing skills, teaching of culture. Cononellos and Olivia, 1993, and learning about the target culture Singhal, 1997. It is also useful to retrieve access and use information in the context of second language learning. The internet is a platform for experiencing and presenting creative works such as essay, poetry, and stories, and for providing supplemental language activities in specific areas of language learning. Singhal, 1997. Additionally, the internet promotes higher thinking skills. Mike, 1996.
Disadvantage. Research activities show that there are some disadvantages of the internet use in second language learning. First, communication with native speakers affects reading skills defectively, according to Kern, 1995. This is also valid for listening, speaking, and writing skills. Thus, it is a fact that the internet improves communicational and language skills. The significant point is that teachers and learners are not sometimes aware of why, how, whom, and where they teach and learn. Second, thus a mass of materials in the internet can be found. Integration of the materials into second language curriculum is a potential difficulty. Unfortunately, internet use in language learning and teaching may be the waste of time if it doesn't depend on a language curriculum.